me how to create a 3D atomic structure using a 3D program. I'm using 3D program which is called Maya LT 2017 version. To create something like an atomic structure, you always have to use something that can render, which is renderable. Polygons or meshes are easy to render. You can use curve shapes. There's 1,000 different ways that you can create them. I'm going to show you a very easy way to create them. Just like use polygon tab from here, or like go to create polygon primitives and try to like select a torus. Click on that and like change its radius. So what we want to like do is like change the radius to like something, say like 20, and it just like creates a big torus which has like 20 centimeter radius. We have to like reduce the section radius to like 0.01, something really tiny, and let's change the subdivision axis, both of the subdivision axis to let's put 64. So it creates like some sort of like atomic what is that, orbit. So one orbit is there. Now I want to like create it in 3D, so I have to like make sure that like it is more than one. So I'm just duplicating them using Control D, and now like I'm going to like change its rotation. So basically just selecting that one, holding J, and I'm just like using rotation in 90 degree. You can also type that in right there. You can just like duplicate that one, selecting that one, Control D or Command D if you guys are on Mac. Now just let's rotate in y-axis 90, so it just like creates something like that. So if we are like in if we hit 4, we can get to see like we are creating some sort of like orbits. And now if we need to like duplicate all the orbits, we can like select drag and like Control D, duplicate the entire set, and we can like reduce that. That's maybe like the second one, and we can like use another one, duplication, and like let's like reduce that right there. So we have like created some sort of like a three-pointer orbital atomic structure. Now we have to add atoms in there. So what we can do is like use the polygonal shells right there, and like click on this button right there which is called polygonal sphere, and that's the center sphere. We can duplicate that one. We're going to keep one on the center, saying it's nucleus. Now if you guys want to like snap these, like move and snap it by the orbits over there, what you guys have to do is like hold V and middle mouse button click and like drag it any point, and it will just snap right away. So maybe like I want to like duplicate that one, Control D and hold down V, and I'm just like snapping it somewhere. So what's happening is like we are creating like that in 3D. So all the structures are there, as many copies as you guys need. You guys can like do the repetition. You guys can like move them, just selecting something like that. It will give you all these options for move tool, rotate tool, or scale tool. Use them in any packages. You guys will have something like this which will basically going to render out, and you guys will be able to save them, and more or less this is the way that you guys will be creating an atomic structure using a 3D program. Thank you, hope you liked it.